Hey guys, and today I am going to show you how to make a UI chest. Shout out for Gabe Dalla, because Gabe Dalla is the one who actually helped me make it. But I did notice some things that actually does actually show something bad about it. So in Gabe Dalla's video, he made this thing, PP, that stuff. I just did one, and he made it that he deleted gold first, which is not what you want. For multiplayer, if you want a UI chest for multiplayer worlds, this will be perfect for you. As you see, I have more people. So if I grab, okay, and go fast. If I grab this, I get teleport here, and it says "Welcome to PvP." You guys saw. If I can do it again, back here, "Welcome to PvP," and the gold says PvP. So let's actually make this. First, we're gonna weather clear. And before I actually make this, first we have to have my guy over here. He's going to show you that it does work in multiplayer. There you guys go. He went over there. Wait. Oh, whatever. Anyways, the play sound did not work, so I don't know why. Probably because... Okay, we are back, and got something. So if I grab the goat, gotta quickly grab it. There you go. It says "Welcome to PvP," and even if you like, actually, let's make this shorter. Don't worry about this. Is 20 good enough? Okay, so how this works? I guess I'll do it. First things first, get yourself a command block. That's not command block. Get yourself an anvil. Okay, got the anvil. And we're gonna create something completely new, a new one. Let's put the anvil there so I can do this. Let's see. We're just gonna create our little new thing. Okay. Now you give ourselves a chest. If you want to create one of them, first is that you have to make a chest area. So you can decorate this however you like. So I could put stairs, then the chest. You know, it doesn't really matter. Right here, I just got a default thing, which is just a chest. The first thing you want to do before you even get to the command block, you have to do /gameroll command block output false, and then /gameroll send command block feedblock false. It'll say in chat that you have turned it off. It doesn't say it for me because I've already done that. Next, over here is the clone. So over here, this will be something important. When you start your command block, when you put a command block like this, just like that, and then a chest above it. Put this repeat in always active, and do /clone that. So just copy exactly this. And then after you do this, you write the coordinates of your chest. So you could do this by doing block position. As you can see, it's showing the block position of the chest. As you guys can see over here, there is right here the same command with this. This is the chest position. Once you got that, put what you want in the chest. So PvP, that's what I put in there. So I put in here. You can add more stuff. So if I add a chest here, then I go to here, there's a chest right there. As you can see, if I take it out, it's gone. Make sure you don't put this at 0 ticks, otherwise it'll go crazy. So let's put it up to 40 ticks. Actually, go 60 ticks. So what it's doing is that every 3 seconds, it will clone that chest and put it over here. So yeah. Repeat always active. Make sure it's not on 0 ticks, otherwise it's a glitch. Okay. Now, let's go to the command blocks. First command block has to repeat, over here. First thing, we have to create our items. So we're going to create something completely new. Let's create spawn. So, if you want to do this, give yourself an item. So any item. So let's do compass. Or make sure you give add us compass. And if you're wondering why you're using this, you have to use this because we have to add a data. Because if you don't add data, people just can create a compass, and that compass will TP them to spawn, which won't be good. We want something different. So we have the data. So now I have to add the data. So 1 to 100. So let's do 20. Now this is the different compass. This is a different compass. This compass is a little different. It is not a normal compass. This compass has data. Oh yeah, so the first command block set it to repeat, always active. And over here, this will TP everybody who, whatever. So first you have to do /TP at a bracket has item equals open wave bracket, item equals gold underscore ingot, dash data equals 0. There you go. And then that it. 82 negative 52 negative 50. Yeah. So what it's doing is TPing it. Oh wait, no. Wait. Compass and data of 20. That's what we did. So what is it doing is testing. It's looking for every single player if they have a compass, but not ordinary compass. A compass with data 20. This compass we have here is the make sure you don't have the compass, because if you do, it will keep TPing you and it'll kind of do that. So we'll give it back later. Next you could do the /play sound. So chain conditional always active. For some reason for me it does not work. So yeah. To do this, you can put /play sound. Play sound at a bracket. Oh no, wait. It's this is optional. You don't have to do this, but let's just do this. Random.level up. You can do any kind of sound. Random dot. To be honest, I want to do something scary, which is ambient dot cave. And then at a bracket has item equals open wave bracket, item equals compass dash data equals 20. There you go. They could do this. So this right here, where actually I didn't really explain the coordinates. So when you're TPing the person, the coordinates is actually where you want them to go. So of course your coordinates won't be the same as mine. My coordinates lead right here. So if you want, you can change the coordinates. It doesn't really matter the coordinates. So you TP them. They have the data compass there. There you go. And this will be playing sound at that location. Next is chain conditional always active. And it will be /title at a bracket has item equals open wave bracket, item equals compass dash data equals 20. There you go, like that. You have to remember the difference between a curly bracket and a square bracket. Then we do action bar, and then whatever you want. So for me, I'm gonna write. I'm gonna do SL. Then S3, no, 2, yeah, 2. Then we're gonna write welcome to spawn. There you go. And finally, but last, we have chain conditional always active, and it will be /clear at a. This does you don't have to add the has item thing. Doesn't really matter for this one. Compass. Now, for this one, you have to add the data first, then the amount. So data would be 20, and then 1. Okay. If I get the compass, I'm gonna get this. Yeah. Now, because I'm gonna turn this off. So by turning off, so how does actually this chain command blocks work? Is that once the repeat command blocks, and when this command block gets activated, all the other command blocks will be activated. Only if they are on the same, like, if their arrows are facing. So the arrows are very important. If you have one like this, what's gonna happen is that it's gonna run this command, and then when it gets here, the game will be like, oh, this is not right, so it must be different. It's wrong. So it won't run the final command blocks. make sure that all your command blocks are facing the right way, like this. You can use the arrows to help you, to get all these arrows right here. Okay, now we're gonna give ourselves a compass with a data of 20. Oh, no, wait, 1, then 20. Now, because of this command block cannot be activated, because it's not repeat, all of these can't be activated. Okay, once you got what you need, you can put it in the chest. So we could... I actually grabbed it. Oh, God. Yeah, so we're gonna give myself a gold ingot. 1 in 5. Okay, we gotta turn that off. We're gonna do the same thing. We gotta fix it. So first you gotta get an anvil. So let's just make this one because I kind of broke the thing. So SE. Oh no, we don't need to do SE. You can do SL. Then we could do the saw sign and what was it? It was 4. No, it's 4 and PVP. There you go. And the second one, which is compass. We do this. No, not L. We can do L, yeah, that. And then we could do 2. And then we could write spawn. Once you got that, you put it in the chest wherever you want. There and there. Once you got that, you turn this on. And you turn this on. Oh, wait a second. First you have to make actually a place. So spawn could be up here. Actually no, spawn should be over here because that's actually where the spawn point, where spawn is. So this could be spawn. There you go. We copy the coordinates. You go back to where the TP thing, and we delete all of this and replace it with spawns. Then we put this repeat, and there you go. You got yourself them. So you see, they're right here. Spawn or PvP. So if I put spawn, oh, what happened? Okay, that means something went wrong with the command blocks. So make sure if something goes wrong with the command blocks, put these on so you can see. So let's see what happens. So we're gonna activate it, activate the command blocks, and let's go see. So you can do this. This is okay. Yep, that worked then. It can belong too far away to hear the sound. Oh, that's because I changed it. There you go. Now it's right. This is going good. It's going good. Okay. Now let's try it. There you go, guys. There you go. So no matter how many times you try, so if I try to wait, to reset soon. If I go PvP, it says welcome to PvP. If I do this, I go to spawn. Welcome to spawn. That is how you do it multiplayer mode. There you go. And to show you that it goes multiplayer, I'm gonna have my good friend World up there. Open it and grab. Oh, what happened? Grab PvP. There you guys go. He went up there, and yeah, he's now up there. Now we can do this. Now the same thing could work for anybody. What are you trying to do? He keeps opening the chest. Where do you went? Oh, you went to spawn. That's how you guys create it. And I'm gonna have each command here, like this, and I'm gonna go through with you guys. Okay. The first command. Okay, first we're gonna turn it. We're gonna turn it clear. So the first command. Test if you have a gold ingot that has the data of 5 and TPs you to your location where you want. So change these coordinates into something else that you want, where you want to take the person to. Next is that you play the sound random. Well, you play sound anything. You don't have to do this one. You can replace it with something else, or you can remove this entirely and put 3 command blocks only. Or you can also just remove the title. I kind of ruined this. Or you can remove the title. It's only 2 command blocks to make it more simple for you. There you go. We have. So once you have it, once you have a gold ingot, it'll play a sound at -82, -57, -12. You can change these coordinates into where you want to place, where you TP. So yeah. So wherever you want to TP, those are the coordinates you'll need for the separate thing of that. Okay, so once you what it will do, it'll find if you have a gold ingot that has a data of 5 and TP you there. Next is this. Once you have a gold ingot, it'll say welcome to PvP. Well, you can change the text to wherever you like. Finally, it will clear at a gold ingot data of 5-1. So you can pause right here. I'm gonna go for the command blocks. I'm gonna show you my command. Change the coordinates to what you want, where you want to place it. And if you want to do these commands, just pause it here, and you can, yep. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and this was a hard tutorial, but remember, shout out to Gabe Dalla for actually giving me the idea for this. And I kind of did it for multiplayer, because what he did wrong was he would TP the nearest person to the command block. So what he did wrong is that, for multiplayer, what he did wrong is that when you open the chest and grab it, yeah, it'll TP you if there's no one closer to the command blocks. So if my friend World Stealer is right here and someone opened the chest, World Stealer would be teleported, which World Stealer did not want to get TP'd. That's what he did wrong, Gabe Dalla. So yeah, if you want to do single player, you can use his thing. But thank you so much for watching. Please guys, like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell, and I hope I see you next video. I'm also a very new creator, and I also really do need subscribers. I want to reach 1,000 subscribers. It's literally my dream to do that. So please guys subscribe. Bye.